Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stockers and ninZa Pro Traders. As you can tell, it's the 2nd of May. It's about 7:15 in the morning. However, I have no internet connection, so it quit about 1 o'clock this morning. So we'll go through the charts with the zones I have, and I'll publish this as soon as possible. It looks like we had it open at 2060.75, and we kind of pulled down to the 2055. Not sure if that's the overnight low or not this morning. We'll go through the numbers and see what's going on today. If it continues to here and maintains this level, stays above this zone and crosses back above, we'll look for the high side first. Um, Look for the move to initially go up into about the 2066, 65.50 area into this pivot point, and then retrace back to this red dashed line here, a DTZ line about 63.50. After that, we want to look for the market to probably go up into this next zone about the 2068, uh, somewhere in this area. Now, depending on what's going on, we know the 70 area is a pretty strong area from the weekly video last night, and that'll be posted again later today as well, as soon as I get an internet connection. We can reach this 6970 area right in here somewhere. We might want to look for a big pullback, and it might pull all the way back to this red disc here at 64 area. Once it does, look for some good support right here, and then possibly look for some consolidation, especially pre-market. And then at market open, we'll probably look for a little bit of push back up to this 2070 area here. After that, look for a pullback into this 68 and then push up to this 72, possibly up to this next zone at 75 area. And then it's going to fight back again. Look for it to test this 74 on the retest. Now we need to hold this line, or we're going to go all the way back down to the 69, 64 level. Once it retests this 74, next target will be this 80 area. Now, I expect this kind of be towards the high side of today. We might run up into this next zone up in the 83 to 85 area. So just be cautious in this area. Now let's look to the downside. If we come up here and fail this at any point, look for us to come all the way back and retest the 64 area. So let's bring this back up here. Now, if we come up here and we reach the 66 area up into here, pull back and retest, right in here somewhere, right at 62, like we said, and pull back up into the zone. This pivot point is very strong at the 66 area, and if we hit this a second time, watch for a double top before moving up, and it might pull all the way back down to about the 64 area, um, back down in there at the 64, right down in here, and look to consolidate for a while pre-market, and then eventually just drop right back down to overnight lows of 55. Kind of a big area to watch through here, but this is all we've got today. It's just going to be one of those days with a Monday, so I want to be real cautious with this. At the double bottom here this morning at 2055, look for a bounce to test right back up into the 62, 64 area. Now, if it should fail this zone at 58, come up here and retest it. After crossing down here, look for the next move down to the 52 area, followed by key areas below. If this turns into a down day, we're going to be looking into the 46 area again, possibly down to 41 for key low areas. If we break through these, all the way down to the 33 area today. So we want to be cautious, give the market time to settle in this morning before we try to do anything. If we happen to get down into this low 40 area, right down in here, look for a good bounce. Watch this retest here at 42 and possibly shoot straight back up and start hitting the tops of these zones and work our way back up. But you've got to be cautious with today. Give the market time to settle, especially after Friday's move. If you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.